Oh, the old dreaded Truckcare engine on a Pete 579 with a a pack R engine. How to clear it. Okay, here we go. Take the key. Okay, right now it's in the run position. Turn the key off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bang the key 5 or 6 times in less than 5 or 6 seconds, and then that should reset it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 or 6 times. Okay. Now I ain't started yet. But I'm going to do it again just to be sure. Okay. Now we're going to... I might have done a little too fast, but don't worry about it. I'm going to just do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Put clutch in. Make sure all accessories are off. Mainly your cruise, engine brake, and air conditioner. I'm gonna see if that little engine light thing goes out because I ain't seen that one before. Okay. And look at that. Boom. Engine light went out. All your shit's there. Okay. It's all out. No errors whatsoever. Motor's running, as you can tell. Okay. Now, I'm going to shut this off again. We're going to show you. Okay. There's the key. Now, put the key back in the ignition. Now, the trick. Make sure all accessories are off, air conditioner off, engine brake off, everything off. Turn the key. Okay? Let it cycle until that light goes out before starting engine. Okay? Getting tired of clearing these things. There, the light went out. Start the fucking truck. Boom. Done. That's how it's done. Engine code cleared. Have a nice day.